All right, here's an oldie but goodie. This is problem 10 from chapter 4, and we got a little division problem, so let's crank these out. So I've got 683 divided by 4. So first, better make sure I do the quotient and dividend. So the dividend is what I'm dividing, and the divisor is outside, and that is what is dividing into the dividend here. So 683 divided by 4. So let's start out and ask ourselves, well, how many times does 4 go into 6 here? That is 1 time. That would have been 4. And if I subtracted, I would have 2 left over. If I bring down the 8, I can say 4 goes into 28 7 times. And 7 times 4 is 28, so there's going to be no remainders. Bring down the 3. 4 goes into 3 no times. Can't pass those out. And that would be 0. We got 3 left over. Now we're not going to do remainder 3 anymore. What we're going to do is we're going to do a decimal here. We're going to trade these 3 ones in for 30 tenths. We have 30 of these tenths now. So now I can start my division problem up again. I can say that 4 goes into 30 7 times, and 7 times 4 is 28. And I'm going to have 2 left over, and then I could put another 0, bring down another 0, add a 0, bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times, and 5 times 4 is 20 with no remainder, so we are finished. So 683 divided by 4 is 170 and 75 hundredths. All right, let's do the next problem. We have 212 divided by 9. 212 divided by 9. And 9 can't go into 2, but it can go into 21 twice. 2 times 9 is 18. If I subtract, I get 3. Bring down the 2 to get 32. 9 goes into 32 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. If I subtract those, I get 5. I'm not going to put a remainder. I'm going to put the decimal and add a 0 here. And let's bring down that 0. And 9 goes into 50. 9 goes into 50 5 times, and that's a remainder of 45. Oh, I see we're going to have a little repeating pattern on our hands. 50 minus 45 is 5. That's what we had before when we added a 0 here. So what's going to keep happening? I don't know why it's not doing in red. I'm going to then bring this down, and 9 goes into 50. What do you know? 5 times. And that's going to be 45, and I could literally keep doing this forever. So let's not keep doing this. There's a way we can say this. If these 5s keep repeating, we just say it's 23 and 5 tenths repeating over and over and over again. So we don't even need these 5s. That's the symbol for a repeating decimal. So there you have it. Those are your answers to our division problem.